Wrenching Boys YouTube channel. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today's a little brief install. I was in the middle of doing something like, hey, I probably should show you guys. So I'm actually changing the steering wheel out in my short box here. I'll show you what the steering wheel looks like. But I ran to the yard and got a replacement steering wheel. You'll see why I need a replacement steering wheel. But here I will show you. All right, don't mind the mess, but check out the steering wheel. Yeah, so I got a semi-decent better one. This one is completely gone. Yeah, so if you're wondering how to do this, it's actually not that hard at all. So you need a T15 Torx bit, specialty. You can get this little kit at like Home Depot or any part store basically. But there's two little screws. Let's see if I can give you guys the light here. So there's like two little screws that go, where are we at? Okay, so there's two little screws that go, there's one that goes in here, and say same thing on the other side. Take those out. And then there are these little pins right here. So the airbag was right there, obviously. To get the airbag off, you put a screwdriver in the. If you have the steering wheel how it is, you push down on the screwdriver to pop this pin down, and then if you're prying from the bottom, you would pry up to get that airbag to release. You'll feel it when it pops out. I normally pop this little piece of plastic loose so I can see better. But I normally just pop it down and then I spin the wheel around and then pop that other side out. This little guy goes in the clock spring. So you just push it in and then spin it until it comes out. Airbag deal, safety clip, pull that out, pop this out. I would recommend, if you're gonna do this, unplug your battery, negative and positive, just to be safe, off the battery. Let it sit for 15-20 minutes. Sometimes capacitors or whatever in the truck still hold juice, so you don't want to disconnect your battery and then go dive right into doing this, because your airbags might go off and that would really suck. So there's just a fair warning on that. I will get back to you guys when I get this back installed, but I'm getting a new steering wheel finally. Alright, so I ended up having to use the steering wheel puller I got from the parts store for 20 bucks at O'Reilly's. Just find the bolts that thread into there, thread them all the way down, hand tight until you can't no more. And then this is a 5/8. Well, my kit is a 5/8. Just cranking her down until the steering wheel pops off and should be set. So there's that. Steering wheel is now loose. I'll get back to you when I get the new one on. Alrighty, new steering wheel is on. No more garbage. This thing is totally foobarred. So if you ever wanted to know what the inside of a steering wheel looks like, it's definitely a metal ring. This material is the same material that's in that bar, so it is made to bend if impact has happened. Yeah, I'd rate this install for a new person probably 5 out of 10. It's not hard, you just gotta make sure you have the right tools and the time and patience, but I'd say it was a pretty easy task to do. There you go, that's how you swap a 99 to 02 steering wheel in. So have a good night, guys. Peace out.